Few trucks have commanded the highway quite like the Kenworth W9000, a machine that roared onto the scene with a boldness and beauty that instantly set it apart from anything else on the American roads. Introduced in the mid-90s, the Kenworth W9000 was a forward-thinking design for its time, featuring a Cabover engine layout that maximized cargo space while complying with strict length regulations. Equipped with powerful engines like the Cummins NH Series or Detroit Diesel 8V71, the W90 could produce anywhere between 230 and 350 horsepower, an impressive figure for the era, ensuring that this rig was more than capable of handling the long hauls and heavy loads demanded by the booming trucking industry, known for its rugged dependability and no-nonsense design. The W9000 earned a loyal following among drivers who appreciated its easy engine access, high visibility, and the sheer durability of its chassis and drivetrain components. When compared to other trucks of the era, the Kenworth W9000 stood out for its build quality and attention to driver comfort, even in a cabover format that was often criticized for being cramped and noisy. Rivals like the International TranStar and Co models offered similar layouts, but many drivers felt that Kenworth's superior construction, smoother ride quality, and distinctive styling gave the W9000 a clear edge. The W9000's sharply angular front, adorned with the classic Kenworth split grille and tough steel bumpers, gave it an unmistakable road presence. While Peterbilt's 352 Co was also popular during this time, it leaned more heavily into lightweight designs, whereas the W9000 prioritized strength and endurance, appealing directly to owner-operators and fleets, hauling heavy freight coast to coast. In terms of role in history, the W symbolizes a key transition period in American trucking, where operators sought to balance government regulations on truck lengths with the need for maximum payload capacity and efficiency. Its Cabover design allowed for longer trailer lengths under federal regulations without exceeding overall vehicle length limits, making it a critical tool for maximizing profitability during a golden era of American manufacturing and logistics. Moreover, the W9000 helped cement Kenworth's reputation as a premium, driver-oriented brand that built trucks tough enough for the real demands of over-the-road trucking. Its rugged design and dependable performance inspired the loyalty of thousands of drivers and laid the groundwork for Kenworth's continued success with later conventional models like the W900 and T8. Looking toward the future, the spirit of the Kenworth W9000 is experiencing a resurgence among classic truck enthusiasts and restoration communities as modern trucking shifts toward aerodynamically optimized, electronically managed rigs like the Kenworth T680 Next Gen. There is still a romantic attachment to the simpler, mechanical nature of trucks like the W9000S are increasingly making appearances at vintage truck shows, and some are even being repurposed into working classics for specialty hauling operations. In a broader sense, the W9000 serves as a reminder of a time when raw mechanical ingenuity and rugged craftsmanship were the cornerstones of the trucking industry. As the future brings more automation, electric drive, and autonomous technologies into trucking, the legacy of the W9000 will likely continue to inspire a sense of independence and pride in driving, the human element that no machine can truly replace. While the W9000 itself won't be resurrected as a production model in the modern, emission-regulated era, its influence persists in the design philosophy of Kenworth's current lineup, the balance of strength, durability, and driver engineering that the W9000 embodied continues to shape how premium trucks are built today. In a future where trucking will be redefined by clean energy and smart systems, the memory of classics like the W9000 will remain a cherished symbol of trucking's golden age, reminding everyone that sometimes the best way forward starts by remembering the road you've already traveled.